Welcome to Backyard Unboxing, where sometimes we do our best and sometimes it ain't good enough. But I digress. So today we're going to take a look at another Amazon Prime Day purchase, and it is for the cheapest Samsung vacuum mop that I was able to find. And let's see, it's not app controlled, but it works, so it's your basic mop. This is a quick unboxing. Here we go. This is the Samsung Jetbot mop VR 6000 TM mapping robot. So let's see what's in this thing. So I expect it to be, I expect it to be a little bigger, but smaller is not too bad as long as it functions right. So I don't have a top camera that would really help, but it says Samsung Jetbot mop. It's got that cover over there, and first thing you will see is I think this is the bottom of the Jet mop, so, or something. Let's take that out. And it's really tightly fixed in there, which is great. So what is this thing? So this looks to be either this also looks to be where you will park the mop if you're not using it. Remember, this thing is like you know those janitor mops, just robotic and small. So that's how it's going to be. So I think this is where you will like park it if you're not using it. It's got a what do you call that? A QR code over there of how to use it. So I'll set that aside. And also in this are the two versions of the mop. One of them is the what do you call those? Well, one is basically a rougher version of the other. One works where you have options. You've got two of each, I think. I might have a spare in here. Let's take it out in a bit. But going through, it also comes with the instructions on the top. And what else is there? Some quick warnings there. We'll set that aside. And the for US only, thanks for choosing Samsung letter, and I'll set that part aside. And here we go. Let's start with the accessories. We have the charging thingy. Well, the adapter. Let's see, is this 110 or 120? Oh boy. It says it is only 110. So US version only. It comes with the battery for 3 AAA, two of them. Comes with some kind of brush. And the remotes itself. There we go. Set that aside. And there's nothing else in this box except for the thing itself. It's empty. So that's done. So here we are. Here is the mop. Ooh, the mop itself. Let's take it out of the bag. Nice. So you need to remove this part before using it. I think this is like the bumpers and sensors. It says dual spin technology and edge cleaning. Of course, we want that. But that's it. So we basically take out this plasticky thingy. I will take it out, I promise. Also on the top there's this thing which, ooh, nice. Taking that out and sticking that somewhere else. No, it's not like a car handle. I thought it was. It felt like it. So also this is a sensor So this should, in a way, this kind of tracks where it's going because there is no sensor at the bottom. I don't know about the sides. The side seems to be a edge type sensor. It spins like that. So I think it tries to, map out where it's going or where it's been through this. I think it also goes through random mode. So some of the maps do map mode. I think this does random mode because it's one of the cheaper ones. It's like less than $200 when I got it. And here is the clicky an on button. I assume you press like 3 to 5 seconds for this to turn on, so it doesn't turn on accidentally. So there we go, and let's go get the this case of it. And I was saying, like, where was that plug gonna go, right? I thought it would go, there's a product questions and other stuff on the side, by the way, but there's no place to plug this. So it appears we are going to plug this directly here. That's where that goes. So that's where the power goes. So when you park it, it'll be like that. Let me put the battery on. Here's a closer look at that battery. The remote, because I am looking for the batteries, which are right here. So presto changeo, I have opened it, and the spinning things. So like I said, it comes with 2 of these. They're a little rougher. They feel like rugs, and 2 of these green ones, and they feel like chamois. So I think this is for regular buffing, and the other one is more of a polishing version. And then, of course, you'll need something to connect those 2. So you should use 2 of these. It comes with instructions of how to connect that stuff. There's one, and there's the second one. Right on. And some sticky stuff. What is that? So you can remove it. What is that for? I don't know. I haven't read the manual, so you're on this journey with me. But it does say it does actually say remove it, or don't remove it. Oh no, don't leave it hanging around, is what it's saying. Right, so step 1 is there is a QR code to read the instructions. Basically, you put one of these things on top. Oh, there we go. Oh, that makes sense. So one of these goes here, and it's got that Velcro thingy on it, right? So which will stick here. And this part is where the solution goes. Usually water, or you can put other types in here. So let's try it. So try to just fix it in place, and voila. And this here is actually a reservoir, if I'm reading the instructions right. So it does say put liquid here, and then turn it counterclockwise to lock in place. So let's assume we put some liquid in here. We take this thing and we put it, it's a hexagon shape, which goes into here, I think. So, okay. So it'll snap into place, and that's pretty sturdy. Great, we got step 1 done. Let's take the other one and stick it into this hole here. Right there. Make sure it is snug in place, and we're done. Take that and we align it. It'll snap in place. Now we have two. There we go. And of course it says remove before using, and I think I am gonna use it right now. So but oops, I almost dropped it. There you go. Let's turn it on. Oh, is there an overlap here? Let us turn it on and see what happens. Ooh, see that? And then what happens if I put it down? What now? Did I press it again? Ooh. Oh, it has, oops. Turn green. I think it's saying like, put me down. That's a solid green. Another press. And that turns it off. Right, so we'll read the rest of the instructions to find out how this is going, but this is a quick unboxing and turning on of the unit. Hope that helped you in some way, right? Talk to you soon with an update on how this has been going in the house for practical reasons beyond what is claimed on the website that it works. So there you go.